because earlier they were just taking maintenance, ठीक है, in 2021, and now they have gone to 2024 as maintenance, sinking fund, repair fund, water charges, common electricity charges, building insurance, common property tax they are taking, ठीक है. They've used the word common. Do you understand? They've used the word common. So we have to insist on private terrace, education fund reserve, building repair fund. So we have to push for our requirements because the maintenance is on 819 square feet. You understand? The maintenance for terrace is not being taken. So because the maintenance for terrace is not being taken, if this building goes into redevelopment, they will snatch all the 4 terraces from the residents, which is a fact. So we have to mark the property accordingly because मैं अकेले नहीं हूँ, and we have to figure out OC for the 18th floor, and that is in the general interest of the other flat owners also. ये जो 2024 का बिल है, इसमें मेरी स्क्वायर एरिया 819 है, एंड 2021 में मेरी स्क्वायर एरिया 1137 है. We know the game, ये बेबी, we know the game. हाँ, कार पार्किंग नंबर नहीं पता आप लोगों को? कार पार्किंग नंबर लिख लो, ठीक है, क्योंकि जब एरिया स्क्वायर फीट बदल सकती है तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें बदल सकती हैं. The society is after our terraces and this is a long planning going on. Carpet area, build up area, society area. First the maintenance was on society area. Now the money is being asked on built up area. Awesome. Kagas khelte. Let's do this. I am just checking the maintenance that you are sending us. Kindly send us a new bill. Change this area square feet if you want money from my husband. You are writing all these headers because you are planning to take away our private terrace. I know the game, so let's do it properly. Yeah. तो जब बिल्डर ने हमें 1137 स्क्वायर फीट बेचा है तो वो 819 कैसे हो गया? हाँ, ओह माय गॉड, अपने आप जगह कम हो जाती है. ऑसम. पुराना चेयरमैन रिजाइन करता है, जगह कम हो जाती है. कितने जादू. 2012 का लेटर है जब संग्राम को इन्होंने जिम यूज करने से मना किया था और मतलब द बिहेवियर वाज नॉट प्रॉपर. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? या तो ये पहले की प्लानिंग है. हिमायू जी, हाय, हाउ आर यू? कैन यू प्लीज हेल्प अस? ये हमको ओसी नहीं दिलवा रहे. इन्होंने हमारा स्क्वायर फीट कम कर दिया है, 1137 से 819 कर दिया है. प्लीज़ हमको ओसी दिलवा दो. वो चौल भी नीचे है, मोहम्मद इकबाल जी भी नीचे है. ये देखिए, ये सब करते रहते हैं. अच्छा, पांडे था वॉचमैन तभी, उसका सिग्नेचर है. वाह, ये 2013 का लेटर है. ठीक है. अच्छा, पहले से ये लोग थ्रेटन करते हुए आ रहे हैं, बट उस समय सोशल मीडिया नहीं होता था, सो वी वर नॉट एबल टू लाइक अपलोड. ये लोग पहले से ही मेंटल हैरेसमेंट कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ. वाओ, ऑसम. So this is some other penthouse on the 18th floor of B Wing, which has got covering, I think it's their balcony area, bedroom area. FSI liya kya? Because it's supposed to be a balcony, but we all cover it. Yeah, that's a normal human practice. We cover it. Okay, so I am just going to be taking the help of Naeem ji, to move this settee inside because my outdoor furniture for the terrace has gone on the terrace. So I can take this settee inside my drawing room because ये जो wood है ये बहुत expensive wood है और ये wood 12 साल से मतलब वेट कर रहा है घर के अंदर घुसने का. But because terrace में covering नहीं थी, I was like, you know, keeping it in this entrance area, but it is not proper to block it on the entrance area. So yes, I'll take it inside now, and yeah, just get this place clean, because I'm just trying to be civil with people who have no common sense. You know, कोई मजाक नहीं है, 12 साल से आप एक ओनर को ओसी नहीं दे रहे हो, and you're trying to arm twist them because you have told them that they have a terrace but they can't use the terrace. What is this? As per their requirements. So that does not work, na? The entire cell was a trap thing, that means. Anyways, I've dug up all my papers, 14 years, 12 years papers, everything is dug. So a Zomato guy came for a pickup and he went to the terrace door. It's much more easier to kind of send food from there because the passage is bigger and the lift is near, because the lift which is next to my door is only till 10th floor. Let's see. I want to get out and go to a central kitchen, but it all depends on my husband and his investors now. Till then, I shall do whatever I have to do to keep the company alive. But yes, I have to get out of this shithole. Yeah, baby. When will that happen? I don't know. Hi, good morning. Can you hear the national anthem? Yeah. आज मैं थोड़ा लेट उठी, मैं मसाज कराया था कल. It's like she's trying to breathe in, you know. There is some Maharashtra Startup Award thing for which I had applied for Healthy Hustle, and उसका I think कुछ रिवर्टल आया है. हाय, उसका आई थिंक कुछ रिवर्टल आया है. Supposed to be some stall thing on 8th and 9th, that is tomorrow in World Trade Center, but अभी तक उनकी टीम में से किसी ने मुझे कांटेक्ट नहीं किया, so I really don't know, but I'm just uploading it because I make a lot of efforts, you know, but I work hard to even kind of make sure that Sangram and his contacts are क्या कहते हैं मजबूर to help me, because I didn't have to stand on a stall to learn business, okay, but I wanted to take on ground experience and I wanted to take it at that level. So I said okay fine, अगर मेरा go down last moment पे कोई cancel कर देता है, because some shop owner in here, shop वाला कोई भी electrician, उसका कोई contact था जिससे हमने go down book किया था. If that person just ditches me last moment, then I will do whatever it has to be, or whatever has to be done to get my business ka raw material not spoiled. Okay, so it's called Ahilya Devi. One second, I'll just tell you. So it's Maharashtra State Innovation Society. Some Mr. Vivek and Mr. Amit have been tagged. You have been nominated for an exhibition space for World Economic Summit to be held at Expo Center, World Trade Center, Mumbai, 8th and 9th August. Abhi tak to I haven't heard anything from them, and this was about the startup Punya Shlok Ahilya Devi Holkar Women's Startup Scheme. Okay, isme apparently they can give us money between 1 lakh to 25 lakhs. I want 5 crores, but okay, that's what they are looking at providing. Eligibility criteria is 1 year operation, which is Healthy Hustle. Let's see what's the zone. It has to be Maharashtra registered and DPIIT recognized, so I have all the criteria, so I applied for it. Let's see. Now tomorrow is 8th and today is 7th. अभी तक तो किसी ने मुझे phone नहीं किया. Okay. And one more thing, I need to tell you that maintenance is calculated as per square feet. Okay. So इस building में there are a lot of people who are having 1-bedroom apartment. There are a lot of people having 3-bedroom apartment. There are a lot of people having 4-bedroom apartments. So whatever square feet is written in your BMC property tax paper, वो square feet के हिसाब से you have to pay maintenance. Okay, so the maintenance of every flat will be different because it is not uniform flats. तो ये मैं clarify इसलिए कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने तो terrace खरीदा है. Okay, and I have paid upfront money for the terrace. Okay, and Sangram was with me at that time. But जो 1-bedroom house है, उनका 1-bedroom house में जितना स्क्वायर फीट है उसके हिसाब से उनका मेंटेनेंस होना चाहिए. जिनके 4-bedroom अपार्टमेंट्स है उनका 4-bedroom अपार्टमेंट्स जितना स्क्वायर फीट है BMC के प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स में उसके हिसाब से मेंटेनेंस होना चाहिए. So maintenance is going to vary because flats with different number of bedrooms are there in this building. Okay, but terrace we have bought up front. Yeah, all 4 of us have bought terrace up front. So how the builder gave it to us is how it works. Because मैंने बहुत सारे पुराने papers भी निकाले थे मेरे society के 12 साल पुराने. I have the entire file and I've seen that, and the builder has given undertaking, the builder has taken money. So I feel as if they all worked in sync, and we were like too simple, naive at that time not to react and respond to them. Because we were like, chalo yaar, chodo yaar, what is this nonsense? But the fact is a fact. Yeah, so maintenance has to be as per square feet. If you've been charging me 1137 square feet rate for the last 12 years, you cannot change it to 819 square feet suddenly. You've been charging me extra money for so many years, so you need to give me explanation for that. And square feet rate will be same, but the square feet of all the flats will be different. 1-bedroom will have lesser square feet, 2-bedroom will have more square feet. That's common basic sense. Yeah. Okay, time for coffee and yoga. Sangram is in Bangkok. Let him work out. Let him do his training. Jinka 1-bedroom hai, they should not pay the rate that 4-bedroom is paying or 3-bedroom is paying. So they need to figure out internally and draw balance sheet as per the square feet of every flat and charge them maintenance as per that. Remaining parking, walking, gym, whim, electricity, repair is a common thing. But jiska jitna square feet hai, us hisab se maintenance hona chahiye as per my thought process. But then I can be wrong because I'm not a professional. Yeah. But मेरे father के घर में सबका square feet same है. Same uniform flats are there. 4-bedroom, 3 drawing rooms, same uniform flat. But here, there is a 1-bedroom flat, there is a 2-bedroom flat, there is a 3-bedroom flat. So that's my sensibility. तो जो 1-bedroom वाले हैं, वो ज़्यादा maintenance दे रहे हैं, वो maintenance दे रहे हैं, जो 4-bedroom वाले दे रहे हैं. So that's wrong, ना? And terrace has got nothing to do with it. Terrace is bought upfront. Yeah. Okay. I think I've shared enough on my society. Now I need to concentrate on my work, make some money, and my acting career. By the way, Vicky ने मुझे अभी तक कोई casting directors के number नहीं भेजे. That day he came, he told me he'll send me a list of casting directors, but he didn't. Vicky, what's wrong? बड़ी बातें हैं. फिर खाते बड़ा पाओ. No way, man, that's really bad.